Bamfordrose and another forum chat. This week we've taken a video off YouTube, and this is where Driftworks, great channel, do some really good stuff. I've popped up with a video that they're going to put an LT4 engine, 700 brake horsepower, into a V8 Vantage.
I wanted something different.
Yeah.
It's not been done before with an LT in it. I believe there's one in America with an LS.
Surely that is going to be one hell of a creation when they've done that. It reminded me of a video I watched about a year ago now, where another place in the States had done an engine swap with LS2 with an auto box. Yeah, if you're gonna, obviously the 4.3 V8, it's not the fastest car in the world, and you can do some upgrades, exhaust manifolds and stuff like that, and easily get it up to from 380 up to, you know, about 430 horsepower, something like that. But to go significantly more than that, and there are guys out there that want that, yeah, an engine swap is the best route to go, and I love engine swaps, so it's interesting for me to see how people would do it. No doubt Driftworks are going to make a fantastic job of it. They've made some great project cars so far. Great YouTube channel to watch. He says he's going to take out the Graziano 6-speed box and replace it for a Tremec. It's going to be a T56, I should imagine. This is like muscle car gearbox of choice, so it's well tried and tested, and Tremec have got really accessible customer service. But that Tremec T56 is in a classic Vanquish, and in our experience, under a lot of duress, the Graziano 6-speed manual is by far the stronger gearbox. So I wouldn't have dropped that as quick as he has done myself, and keeping that transaxle means that rear subframe, driveline, everything to do with torque tube, you could have kept the same and then just mate the engine to torque tube. But hey, everyone does projects in different ways, and I'm sure that the end result is going to be fantastic. A couple of people have asked me since this video has popped up, you know, is this possible? Is this feasible? It is, yeah, and it can be done. It's just the car is going to be hacked into quite a lot to get this to work. So because the engine management system is not going to be operational, it's going to lose traction control, ABS, dynamic stability control, aircon through the center console, probably going to need a little bit of work to get that up and running. Mobilization, that's done through the engine ECU, it's going to lose that feature. If this was 4.7 and glass key, it's going to lose electronic steering lock, the docking station, that's not going to be happy, and the dashboard. And if you watch the guys that did the LS2 conversion, they had a bespoke dashboard put in, which for a hobbyist at home is fine. It's difficult to hack into a car that much and offer it commercially, because the car is going to fundamentally change, and everyone really likes a seamlessly integrated product. But for those guys that the build is just as fun as driving the car, then yeah, hack away at the car, drop that big horsepower motor in, and have some fun in it. So this is part one. I'm sure the other parts are going to come in with some more detail. How long it's going to take them will be interesting, and let's see some more good stuff.